What's up guys, once again I'm DG here on How to Isolate YouTube channel. Instagram is rolling out pronounce update, same as other social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, etc. For this new Instagram pronounce update, the user must have the latest Instagram version installed. It also codes support for gender inclusive pronouns. After the Insta updated, of course, you are trying to add pronouns to your profile but still won't show the pronounce button so that you can't add gender identity to your profile. Same like you, I have not got pronounce field because of this new field is available in few countries with plans for more. The same goes with Instagram and music. Some tips I suggest to get pronounce button that may be work or not that I don't guarantee, but yes, you can get more updates this topic in this video description below, so don't miss to get it because it may not be available yet to some creators. So after updated your app, you can force close your Instagram app and check your profile edit page. Still not showing, you can use VPN virtual private network on your phone to get the update first. Another thing is, if about tricks not working for you in your case, then the last suggestion is you can request by submitting feedback to Instagram support. To submit the report on your Instagram profile page, click on the profile picture up your right top bottom on the screen and tap on the more options. Next, choose settings and tap on help on this. Now, click on report a problem on this pop-up screen, choose general feedback. Here you will have to briefly explain that I cannot appear pronounce button on the Instagram profile edit page. Please fix an issue or give new features soon. Or alternatively, you can send a screenshot or tag new photos and tap on the send button or you get the thanks message screen and that's it. Now you will have to wait for a fix. I hope this video found helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.